Personal gender pronouns are a fundamental part of how we represent ourselves. To properly reflect a person's gender identity, it's important that people use the correct pronouns when referring to an individual. In order to provide clarity for others and promote an affirming and inclusive community, people sometimes include their personal gender pronouns with their name and title. This video will demonstrate how Microsoft Outlook email signatures can be utilized to share one's own personal pronouns within email messages. Outlook for Web. Start by going to the CSB+SJU website. Click on the hamburger menu. Select Tool from the side menu. Select Email, and log in with your CSB+SJU email account. If you already have a signature, start by clicking on the Settings icon on the top right-hand corner. Select View All Outlook Settings. Select Compose and Reply on the side menu. If you do not already have a signature, this is where you can create one that will be used at the end of all emails you compose. Email signatures for students will be different for professors and staff, but they usually include your full name, a job title and department, email address, a phone number if applicable. Students may want to add their class year to make it known that they are students and their seniority. Type your gender pronouns after your name. Example, he, him, his. Then click Save. Outlook on PC. To edit the signature on the Outlook app on a PC, start by opening the Outlook app. Select New Email. Select the caret for the signature icon. Select Signatures. Select New to create an email signature. Or select a signature you'd like to edit and add your gender pronouns in the text box. When done, select OK. Outlook on Mac. To edit the signature on the Outlook app on a Mac, start by opening the app. Select New Message. Select Signatures. Select Manage Signatures. Select the plus icon to create an email signature. Or select a signature you'd like to add your gender pronouns to and select Edit. Type your gender pronouns to the end of your name in parentheses. When done, exit out of the window and select Save when prompted. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. Please contact Instructional Technology or the Help Desk if you have questions about using this software.